folks, Pat Clancy here from Redfords Auctioneers, bringing you one of the nicest houses I've ever been in in my life. This is something out of MTV Cribs. This has the entrance hall here, underfloor heating. This house is out in Waterfall. Here we go through to the living room. Rightly see the size of this. Right. Electric fireplace, spot lighting. Bringing it through to the kitchen. Have a look at that. Absolutely fantastic. As I step into the kitchen, I'll give you a look back at the living room. Absolutely huge. The house measures 5,000 square feet. There's another part of the kitchen right there. Door out to the utility room. House has a central vacuuming unit as well. Kitchen is a fine size. Breakfast table in the middle, glass counter. Gas range with 4 hobs on top. Track lighting above. Built-in fridge, freezer, microwave. Everything you could possibly want. There's a smart home system as well. I'll walk through here. This is like a playroom or an office. Lights are off. Apologies. See the size of it. Excellent. Over here, the living room. Probably the nicest room in the house. This is about 20 feet by 20 feet. 2 double doors out to the back. The back garden. Give you a look around the room. Fine size. We'll walk back out and we'll head upstairs to the bedrooms. That's the room just came out of. There's also a small guest toilet there. Head away up the stairs. Doors out onto a balcony. It's dark outside, so I can't show it to you today. Head down the hall to the right. First bedroom. This is the smallest of the bedrooms actually. Built-in wardrobes on the right hand side. It's probably 20 feet long by about 12 feet wide. Fine size. Show her next bedroom. Again, plenty of built-in wardrobes. There's a 5-foot bed there. Looks lost in the middle of the room. Here we go. Quick look around. Walking through, this is a Jack and Jill. It links, like an ensuite, links the 2 bedrooms. As you can see, very well finished. Go through to the other bedroom. Oh. Sec, I get a light. Here we go. Built-in wardrobes, window to the front. Room is probably 15 by 10. Good size room. Utility room there. Plenty of shelving. And here we go, the master bedroom, or bathroom, my apologies. As you can see, the finish is absolutely superb. Built-in home sauna. We'll have a quick look inside. Plenty of seating. Right. Now, let me show you the master bedroom. That is a 6-foot bed, and it is absolutely last inside and around. Doors out to a balcony outside. Let's give you a proper look at the room. The bed. Out here into a walk-in wardrobe. Plenty of shelving. The lights are out there at the moment. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the ensuite. Double jacuzzi bath. Walk-in shower. 5 jets. And that concludes the tour. Unfortunately, I can't show you outside because it's too dark at the moment. But if you need any more details, please contact us on www.redfords.ie or email on info@redfords.ie. Thank you.